You asked for it, so here we go. Let's make zucchini and carrot burger buns and soybean burgers. Grab your two medium-sized zucchinis and your two medium-sized carrots, which are peeled, of course. Then you're going to get your grater. If you don't have access to a grater, you want to use a food processor, and remember, you don't want them fully crushed, so you have to be careful with that. Then you're going to squeeze out the excess water from the zucchini because you don't want them going soggy. Put them in a bowl and mix them as you see here. Next, 1 cup of mozzarella or cheddar cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or black pepper or chili flakes, and then completely mix it, ensuring the egg is fully mixed in. The egg and the cheese is acting as our binder here. Then add them into a parchment paper like you see here and work them in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once you are done with that, next you're going to make our soybean burgers. Grab your food processor or your mini food processor. 2 cups of cooked soybeans. They need to be cooked and not just soaked, please. And then after that, you're going to add your garlic cloves. I use quite a bit here because they were really tiny. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then you're going to blend them like you see there until you get a paste like this one here. You don't want them fully crushed, you want them having the consistency of ground beef or ground chicken. Okay, then you're also going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil that I didn't capture that on camera, 1 egg, which is going to act as our binder again, and then 1 teaspoon of oregano, and completely mix that until you get this. You're going to repeat the process that we did with the burger buns, work them in the oven, and then you're going to serve them like you see here. You have our burger buns and then you have our burgers. And how do they look? Do they not just look like delicious and yummy? And this tastes so good. I honestly have no idea why you've not tried this yet. If you don't have a plan on trying this is your sign to please try and give yourself something healthy. Okay, serve that husband of yours something healthy and something different. I serve this with some red kraut and an avocado, and here you go, you have it. Bye.